District Court Complex at Soring District. The new court complex is proposed to be constructed at Soring District, having a total area of 2.616 acres. The proposed complex will have main court building, annex building, 3 number of bungalows for district and session judge, chief judicial magistrate, and judicial magistrate. The architectural design and drawings of the proposed structures have been approved by the Honorable High Court of Sikkim. Main court building will be a 5.5-storied RCC structure having a total built-up area of 34,302 square feet. The ground floor, the built-up area of the ground floor is 7,830 square feet, which consists of separate entries for judges, public, vulnerable witness and the accused, single window, security, entry lobby, vulnerable witness deposition center, server room, IT section, computer section, fitness center, hazard, creche with nursing room, and office rooms. The first floor consists of courtrooms with judges' chamber, litigants' waiting room, staff room, judicial service center, officers' lounge, and offices. The second floor and third floor consist of courtrooms with judges' chamber, litigants' waiting room, pesca room, staff room, court library, bar room cum lawyer's library, conference hall, banquet hall, and video conference room. The fourth floor, it consists of record room, malkhana with a strong room, prosecution room, public prosecutor's room, judge's library, and other offices. The toilet facilities provided in the main court building are as per the Supreme Court guidelines for persons with disabilities, gender neutral, child friendly, and for both male and female. Annex building will be a 2-storied structure having a total built-up area of 1,888 square feet. The ground floor will have E-Seva Kendra, canteen with kitchen and store, driver's room, server rooms, ATM, and toilets. First floor consists of bank, post office, infirmary, guards' residence, and waiting area. The second floor has auditorium hall having area of 1,668 square feet. The district and session judges bungalow, one bungalow for district and session judge will be a single-storied structure having total built-up area of 2,500 square feet with provision of living room, a master bedroom with closet and attached toilet, 2 bedrooms with attached toilets, kitchen, dining and store, library, remand room, attendance room with toilet. Chief Judicial Magistrates and Judicial Magistrates bungalow, both bungalows will be similar, having a single-story structure with GCI roofing roofs having a total built-up area of 2,000 square feet. The bungalow has a provision of a living room, master bedroom with attached toilet, 2 numbers of separate bedrooms with attached toilets, kitchen, dining, attendance room with toilet, library, and remand room. With this, I would like to conclude my technical report. Thank you.